Hey guys, so this is my Chevy City Express. Believe it or not, it's the same exact as an NV200. There's actually, on the door it actually says Nissan, so I don't know what relationship they have there. The NV200 is what I did a while back, and so I decided to go with the same model. And I'm actually going to be doing a third van next week, and that one's probably going to be a Ford Transit. I'm super stoked about it. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of show you some of the things I did in here. Some things that I did differently from my last build as well that I didn't really like about my last build that I actually kind of changed. But I'm going to go ahead and start with the door here. So door pops out like this, and I was really happy the way this turned out. These are magnets, so these actually pull off. And these are actually bolted into the door. You can't really notice, but this is just really for reliability and sturdiness. And the cool thing is that you can use this as barbecuing, or you can actually use this inside as well as a table if you're working on your laptop and all that cool stuff. That's a big thing that was a big deal to me. So yeah, I'm really happy how the Route 66 turned out. Like I said, it's all magnetized, and it just seems everything just ended up looking really nice. I'm really happy about it. Let's go ahead and fast forward to the TV. The TV, you put these two notches down, and the TV can go either inside. If you move this right here, you can go inside, or you can go outside. Again, this cushion just has to be moved a little bit. And I absolutely love this TV. You know, the other day I was out here watching The Office, and I was thinking, how cool is it gonna be when I go up camping, just to kind of flip on the TV just for like 20 minutes, just to kind of get your Office fix or whatever TV show you like, or Game of Thrones or whatever. So this was a really fun add-on. This is actually a 12-volt TV. I'm going to put this in the description so you can pick this up if you'd like. It actually ended up just being really cool. HDMI, so it has, you can use your Fire Stick and just anything necessary. And I know I'm going to get questions about the internet. The internet I use is off of my phone, so it's a hotspot. So in order to put it back in, you have to twist it around, and it is now back in, and you put these back up, and now it's secured. You have the remote and everything right here. We have an outlet here. There's a lot of outlets in here that you can't see, but this is one of them right here. Go ahead and check this out, Dad. So you have all your AC appliances and for your phone and all that good stuff. And shows your voltage. Now for the closet, this is the desk / closet area. So there's actually a shelf right here. We could put all your clothing, and perfect for laptops and different things, and just clothes and just, you know, all your needs. Put hooks up here to hang, you know, I don't know, a hook's always good, I feel like. So I put a couple of hooks in here. Closet opens up from the side as well, so you have this whole storage unit. Yeah, I thought it ended up being really clean. So all the wiring was really high to hard, all the wires, but I hid all the wiring through through these right here, these aluminum slots, and through the roof. Most of the wiring's actually through the roof. So let's go ahead and check out the bed here. So for the bed, there's so many options for the bed. Last time I didn't even have a big bed to slide out, so I really wanted to change the way I did the bed. So I guess first, in order to show you how the bed works, is I actually need to show you what's going on under. So first off, what's going on under the bed is you have your fridge, you have the microwave, and you have the toilet. All huge necessities right there. For the fridge, comes out like that, and then it goes back in. And yes, all the appliances are already plugged in and ready to go. So in order to pull the bed out, you have to put this notch in here, or there's a bolt in here, and You unlock, there's an unlocking mechanism over here, and all you do is you lift up, and you are set for your bed. Now, this is the main option for me. This is what I really like about it, is just being able to have all this aisle space. Now, if you and a significant other or somebody else would like to join you on your trip, like the option that I have for that for me is actually pulling the bed all the way out. So the bed actually just keeps on going. Pulls all the way out to the end. Now you may be wondering, well, where's this cushion? Well, the cushion's inside right now. I actually forgot to take it out. But yeah, this whole area you could use as a big bed. I think this opens up to being a little, the width-wise, to be a little larger than a full-size bed. So that's that. The way I did this bed, I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions, so I'm just gonna address it right now. The way I did this bed is I actually put slots, wooden slots, in these areas. And then I put a screw under here where this actually ends up being a rail system. So this is a rail system bed, the way I did the wooden slots. And I'm probably gonna have to get more specific on that later, because I know you're probably wondering, well, what's going on here? So I'll probably have to go more in depth on that later. But that would probably take at least 15 minutes. So I wanna keep this video short. So in order to put it back, you just kind of shimmy it in. And you are good to go. So that's that. I think I'll give you a closer look really quick of the appliances that I already went over. Here, you can hand me the cell phone here. So here's a better look at what's going on over here with the microwave and the toilet, and of course the fridge. Here you go, Steve-O. So, of course, you have the max air fan coming up top here. Definitely the biggest thing to me you have to have in a camper. To me, having a fan in your camper is probably the biggest thing that makes it a camper, to what I think. Just because you need to be able to breathe when you're sleeping. This curtain right here, this was a very complicated curtain to make. I actually did the stitching in the actual material itself to just give it a really clean look. These actually open up, and I made these into there's 4 separate pieces here. The reason I did that is because I wanted it to be easy to dry clean. I just thought it was a big deal to be able to clean in your camper van. And the vinyl I actually used, everything is boat vinyl. The reason I did boat vinyl is because I just wanted to be more sturdy. And boats, the vinyl that's in the boats are used to being outside, used to wear and tear and different things like that. So I was like, hey, let's just do a boat material to just make everything in here just more camping resistant, I guess you can say. And Steve, I'll take the cell phone here. I'm gonna show what's going on over here. So over here we have the sink, and this is actually the pull-out shower as well. So, this door opens up right here, and you can be able to take a shower outside. And here's more electrical outlets, dimming lights, power, toggle switch, and to give you a closer look, here's what, this is actually not a window right here. I just thought it looked pretty nice to have that in there. Here's just a closer look at the ceiling. Here's a look of the awning actually on the back of the roof rack slash solar panel getup. This is actually an adjustable awning, so you can quickly adjust it from the side of the solar panels to the back of the solar panels. Now, if the solar panels are actually a roof rack system, so you can actually have things on top of the roof racks and being strapped down, all that good stuff. The solar panels themselves are bolted in, so those things are not going anywhere. This is one of my favorite modifications that I've made, just because I utilize the back of the van more than I do the side of the van. So I thought this was a cool little get up, and I'll probably do this on my next one as well. As you already know, this bed pulls out in 3 sections. This was definitely the hardest part of the build. I wanted the bed to squeeze against the wall. I did not want it taking up too much room inside the van when it was fully closed. I believe it closes at 17 or 19 inches to the wall, and it pulls all the way out to the cabinet. It was difficult to put the drawer under the bed with the fridge, and then of course you have the microwave and toilet, as we already talked about. I'm gonna go more in depth on this bed because I know, again, I'm gonna get a lot of questions, so I just wanted to give a quick look of the layout at least for you.